So this is the route we're going to be taking. Takes 20 minutes. Now back for the day. We made it. The entrance fee is 10,000 kip each, and as we said before, it's about a half-hour hike up to the top. So let's go see what we can find. I forgot her phone in the bike. I don't think she's happy. I'm quite forgetful. I leave mainly valuables, but luckily nothing's ever got lost. I tried. Have you got it?
No one took it. You're lucky.
As we said, 10,000 per person.
We just met a lady,
So what was that?
and she told us that from here, where we're already out of breath, is 25 minutes up there.
This terrain is insane. So we reckon we've got about 10 more minutes. Corin read a blog before we came, and I'm so out of breath. They actually said by the time you get to the top, you'll be on your hands and knees. I don't think we're too far off. At least they have banisters all the way up. We are getting higher. As you can see, slowly but surely. Are we here?
No.
Still not here.
Up there.
The top.
130 metres more. Just got 130 metres more to go till we reach the viewpoint.
So we made it up here. It's hard work, but I'm telling you, it's so worth it.
So worth it.
So we're going to give you a quick view of what we can see. Okay, so we made it to the bottom. The views were unreal, as you've seen. Some crazy person had taken a motorcycle up to the top.
I don't know how they've got it up there.
One thing you need is trainers, like good walking shoes. I mean, unless you're really adventurous.
We did see someone in Havaianas and we saw someone barefoot, so
Yeah.
it's up to you.
There are hardly any tourists.
Yeah.
We've probably seen a handful of people. I think the reason being it is quite a challenging walk to get to the top,
Yeah,
but it is so worth it once you get to the top.
so worth it. And also we came about 3:30, 4
Yeah.
o'clock, so we got the sun just as it was that golden hour, and yeah, definitely recommend that you head up at that same time.